This work? Okay, so the story with this engine, 1950, what?
48, 49, somewhere in there.
Is the vintage of the engine. When did it fail?
1954.
This
or was
is-
it 52?
This is the water.
It is water, yeah. Need a couple more screws.
Failed in 52, disassembled in 54, you say?
Something like, well,
something like that, yeah. So it's been around in as parts in boxes, and this is the first time it's been assembled since the mid 1950s.
Coming out the thing. Okay,
Not
that's,
yet.
That's as much as we can put in if it does. So.
Oh, now it's coming out. It's full.
And right behind Keegan, right there is a jar.
This,
Yep.
oh, that looks like
It's
Yeah,
either fuel or urine
applesauce.
That's old, really bad gas.
So we're not going to use this.
So I think we should probably not use it.
Okay, yeah. I have lots of footage of the 4CV that I can put
Yes,
in
you
there.
do, I think.
Jim, this guy is responsible for 3 of the cars that are here right now.
Which are?
That one, and the Bavaria. He's the one that found the Bavaria.
The one sitting next to the street.
Uh-huh.
I wouldn't say that if I was you.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't share that at all.
He's a bad influence.
Yeah.
I'd like to repeat the very first video I mentioned that none of this should be taken as a how-to. This is not this is not a how-to.
No,
All right.
no.
Coil wire.
Yep, I'm gonna pump the. That's okay. Fill that. Okay, feels like it pumped.
And do we have the exhaust pointing in the right direction?
Nope, we should swing it around so it's sort of pointing out.
What is that screw?
It's just a plug for this hole so you can get the rocker shafts out.
Oh, I see.
And I know this goes in here because I put it in once, but it's one of those damn things where you have to protect it. You don't need it. It's not a necessary part.
You gonna rotate the heat?
Oh, he's just gonna rotate the
Okay.
the exhaust.
And- Oops, see if I can't short something out here.
Are you operating the throttle?
Oh yes, thank you for saying that. Oh, we're already.
I hooked it, yeah.
Thank you. Careful with this. This is hot, right? Or oh no, this isn't hot.
It is positive. It is on the positive post of the coil,
Yeah, but it's not.
but it's not actually connected to anything.
Okay. Alrighty. Okay, we can get. All right, we have ignition now.
Do I need to
Clear.
Hold, do I need to hold the engine?
Clear prop.
Andy, you come over here.
I smell gas.
Okay, let's see.
We timed correctly?
The wire in there. Well,
Roughly.
Ooh.
probably.
Just put some gas in the concrete.
Yeah, we can do that next, but give it a little more. Is there any smoke coming out?
Enrichment.
What's that?
May I suggest a shear power wave?
No. I know what you're thinking.
We're gonna pour ether down it?
No.
Is that why the 4 roses over there?
Yeah. Let's feed it some bourbon. It'll...
Clear.
It liked it better when you had the throttle open.
Stand.
I mean, it sounds like there's compression as well.
Yeah.
Maybe that plug is necessary.
Maybe. Oh, by the way, we getting oil pressure and stuff?
Yeah, I saw the oil pressure go up. Looks dry, doesn't it?
This will dry. Yep.
Not getting any gas.
Maybe we found out why they took it apart back in the 1950s.
Right. Now, there's no big red levers or anything, are there?
No big.
We
What does this red lever do?
drive the bone.
Yeah, we're not getting fuel.
Yeah.
Maybe the choke is closed on that on the concrete.
No, we tried the enricher in both positions and in all three positions, and it didn't.
No, and that is a part I didn't take apart, but the fact that I threw raw gasoline down the
Yeah.
thing should make it fire off for a few seconds. Let's try putting a little more of that down there. Maybe more of it, but I mean, you can't go anywhere except into the cylinders.
Right.
Guys.
Okay, ignition,
Contact.
contact.
Pick something up.
You see it spraying once in a while. Let me try choking it with my hand.
You're leaking oil from the pan gasket.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
Okay, all right.
It's never tight. Want to use a piece of wood over it instead?
No, my hand's good.
Okay. It's a mystery.
We could try turning the distributor just a notch one way and notch the other way. I know my Fiat, unless it's very, very close, it will not start.
Okay.
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 Oh, we didn't disconnect that time.
And the other way.
Promising.
Sounds a little better, didn't it?
Doesn't it? Yep.
Go a little more.
Yep.
A little bit more.
That
Oh,
was
there's the
just
starter.
engaging, yeah.
Bit more.
I wasn't crazy about all the slop and
Yes.
everything.
Agreed.
That's it.
A little more.
Yeah, a little more.
Oh, where is it going?
That way. Yeah, that way.
Yep.
A little more.
Yeah, a little more. Seems to be getting better and better.
I don't think that moved at all. Hell yeah!
See? Successful.
Perfecto, Steve. Congratulations.
Now, you know, we could adjust the idle up a little.
Yeah, just. Well, I think it's warm enough today.
Not exactly firing oil.
you've done it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now we need to put it on a dyno, though.
It's probably got more horsepower than my Volkswagen.
It's not even smoking much. Oh, it's getting warm. So there wasn't much smoke coming out of the exhaust, was there?
I didn't notice.
There's no smoke.
That's remarkable. There's no smoke. When you look at the rings that are in this thing. But all right.
What did you say was the reason it was taken out of commission?
Come here and look at
Yeah,
this.
look at there's a big
The block froze and cracked.
yeah.
Oh.
And it's been repaired.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Steve, I commend you.
That's pretty cool, man.
Just the old parts. Yeah.
What did you actually purchase to get this engine running?
The
The
bushings.
The
bushings.
bushings?
And actually, though, that's not true. I actually did purchase the set of rings.
Okay, that's
Even-
right.
And they
Because you
they-
tried to.
and they were wrong.
Yeah. Okay.
you know.
Wow.
But I mean, I waited 6 months before I discovered they were wrong, and by then it was kind of too late to do anything about it.
So it has the wrong rings in it.
Well, we used some old
They're-
rings
yeah,
that
they're-
came with it that were rusty,
Free gas.
Spark plugs.
spark plugs.
Uh,
I had the gasket set.
you had to
No, I bought the gasket set for $10 from some guy years ago. And I gave it to Alistair long before I thought about buying the thing.
And how long have you had this engine in disassembled form?
Well, Alistair's had it the whole time, for 30 years or something. Like he's on there. And-
Alistair's had that car for
What- was it
30
some
years.
long time? Didn't-
He had, when I first met him in what, 2002, he had it then. I don't know how many years he had it before. He probably had it 10, 15 years before that.
Oh my goodness.
This was one of
That's
his
crazy.
uncompleted
Yeah,
projects.
this block has been on the floor back there for the entire time I've been working in this garage.
Wow.
And
Well, I
then
was
25
under
years
Alistair's
before.
bench for 30 years.
It was such a chore getting it out of there.
Oh, we're digging it out and all the
Did you
rings
do
and
the
things
block
were in
repair, or
envelopes.
that already been done?
Paper
That had been
envelopes
done.
that
I
got
remember
wet
that. I
and
remember that.
yeah, everything
I
was
was part of that operation when you pulled it out.
digging everything from underneath the bench.
Oh, that's super cool, man. So, and all the this isn't like some other cylinder head, like it is this is the
right one.
it is the original. Wow.
And it's the correct cylinders, which is the interesting thing. So you can't buy those. As far as I know, you can't buy them anymore.
Look how
Because
much
they're
gas
This is for the 760.
for the 760, right? Because they reduced the displacement in 1951.
Oh my goodness.
So what would this be?
Because they
Wow.
want to race it in 750 class racing,
Okay.
and they had made it
Fully
760.
for fans selling?
Yeah, it's the
Thinking of that.
crank pulley, so that drives whatever accessories you get.
Yes, and the only accessory here is there's a generator,
Generator.
that mounts right here.
Okay.
And it has a belt
Yep,
for that.
and that's it.
And I think I have that generator somewhere.
And then the water pump is driven off of this one back here.
Yep, off
Yep.
the camshaft.
Yep.
Yeah, their generators on that one there because you put the 6-volt stuff on
Quite
that
right.
one, yeah.
And the starter in that is the quick one.
Well, that's fantastic. Oh wait, so yeah, this is a 12-volt starter,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah,
Okay.
we started
And
with
it bolts up.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
So I'd say success.
Very much so.
Yeah, that was successful. Well, congratulations. That's
Thank you.
that's nice. Can we borrow some of your luck for the DeLorean?
Yeah, that's far too advanced for me.
Oh, you could.
You could cut off his foot and hang it on your visor.
How pleasant, thank you. All right, well, we've done our day's work.